Hey everybody, it's an exciting day here at Dish Off the Block. We are announcing the launch of our first cookbook, What Can I Make with This Frickin' Chicken? It's a collection of tried and true chicken recipes, appetizers, soups, salads, and of course entrees that are easy and approachable for the home cook, but are going to make you look like a five-star chef in your kitchen, and they're going to totally shake up your weekly meal rotation. It's available in hardcover for $34.95 or softcover for $24.95. We are offering a special discount for Cyber Monday. You just enter the code CYBER10 at dishofftheblock.com/shop. And while you're there, pick up a set of these spices if you haven't already. They're awesome. Superbly Herby, Ciao Bella Italian seasoning, and Raging Cajun. You can buy them individually or as a really cool gift pack. So get shopping, enjoy your holidays, and cheers.